My name is Calvin, and I am going to teach you how to use the Promethean board. You could tap it or press this button. It doesn't matter which one. So just do that. But if it has these, just press back. But if you press guest or your name it and you make up your own passcode, it'll just do your passcode. Okay. Do that or that. Or that. It doesn't matter which one. So I'll show you how to use everything on the whiteboard. Press this and see where it says whiteboard. And then you can draw whatever you want. You could do red, your favorite color, and press this to make it big, and then watch. It's big. The eraser or this button. It erases it all. This is how you change the background. You press this or whatever your favorite color is. My brother's favorite color is this color. This is how you share the screen with a friend. See, I'll show you. That's how you do it. With your hand, see? Or so many hands. You can do so many hands. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to use the timer on the spinner. So first press. So hit the locker. Then you can press one of these. The two arrow buttons. But watch this. When you make it big, it just does the same thing. It doesn't care. Like, if it picks 5, that's my favorite one. See, like it picked 4, like I'm last. And then you can choose whichever one you want, or these, or all different apps. We go to Agna school page, then you press library. And then you press morning announcements. So that's how you put on the morning announcements. The top is today's morning announcements. Volume. Press this button or this button.
And I'm here to bring Gator news
this button.
and what's happening
That's cool.
around our school.
I'm Calvin, and I hope this helped.